Okay, don't have much time here. It's getting dark, but I thought to catch this on GoPro. This is pretty cool. I seen this coming by, and it's really cool. Look at this. There's a waterfall constantly taking place at this place. That is freaking awesome. This is Beverly's little place, and then if you walk over here, here's the waterfall running down the mountain. Is that pretty cool or what? I just wish that I knew how to make this GoPro. I'll do whatever without the lighting. But listen to that sound. Sounds like you're sitting out on that deck. Listen to that there whole evening. Imagine what it costs to build this. Anyhow, there we go. Back to Columbus, Ohio. Got my drone. We bad to the bone. GoPro will go home. Go drone or go home. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Signing off, battery's getting low. We made the trip.